Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c:, then hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space system32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy space *.* space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *.* space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy space *.* space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and simply hit enter. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Type attrib c:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren c:/boot/bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec space /rebuildbcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.